Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at this. So this is the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat, and this is by Majorette, and this is from their premium car series. So let's open and see how it looks. Okay, let's have a look at the card first. Okay, here it is. Okay, let's get to the car. So if you remember guys, last time I bought a 3-pack and the same car just literally broken into pieces out of the box. So I hope the same doesn't happen to this one as well. I personally love this color, so let's see how it does. Okay, let's have a look at the interior in this one. The headlight details are actually great. So the taillights are actually painted. Okay, it does have some suspension. Yes. Okay. So I had this same issue in that 3-pack as well. So I just tried to press this one and literally broke into pieces. Okay, this one doesn't seem like it is going to break. But the finishing is not really good on this one. I personally like Majorette cars, but I don't know. The Dodge is actually not that great. See, you can literally see the gap here. That is a huge gap, and it can easily break. So quality is not great on this one. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.